wrote it back in the day, it was so pertinent, and unfortunately it might be more pertinent now with this wicked world we're living in. But I'll do this song for you now, I hope you like it. We're going to do it a little different, you're used to hearing it, but this way the words can come across. We got something, we both know it, we don't talk too much about it. Ain't no real big secret, all the same, somehow we get around it. It doesn't really matter to me. You believe what you wanna believe. See, you don't have to live like a refugee. Somebody must have kicked you around somewhere. Tell me why you want to lie there, revel in your abandon.